Hi friends, welcome back to one more video. Thank you for watching my videos. Hi friends, welcome back to one more video. Today we can learn into the Gradle application, how we can implement and all, like by using Spring application, Spring Boot. Okay, I have see here. This is on Spring Initializr. We can do that by using Spring Initializr. We can do here we can select into the demo application. It will be demo, and here it should be a Gradle demo application. I have configured like this. It will be package also same, and we can using Java some 21 or latest also no issue, and 25 also it will be stable version now. And here we have web application REST application. If we need an JPA, we can implement the JPA, and the H2 database also required for that DB connection. Okay, now it will be generating on. See here, actually, this is I have imported into the IntelliJ ID here. Like here, it will be open this one, and here this basic setup is going on, and here I'm using Java 21. Okay, these are the files by default come by using. One second, I'm open into the terminal for here. Right click and open the terminal. Yeah, it's open terminal here, and we have to run the commands for build application. We have dot Gradle. Yeah, it build the application. See, it's compiling the whole files. Yeah, it's successfully done here. And how we can run this Gradle application by using this command like here Gradle and boot.run. And here I am not written any class here, controller class and all. I'm returning the one control class here. TestController, and I'm adding on one method for a hello method. Like this, it will be import the packages whatever is required here. If you see, these are the import is done, and then I need to open the terminal here. Where is the terminal window? Okay, yeah, here the terminal. Okay, I'm stopping the application, and I'm running again for this application. Here it will be 8085, 8081 is running fine, and how the hello is there. Okay, now I'm opening the one more terminal here. Like URL, I need to pass into the local host 8080. Local host 8080, and here backslash and hello. Okay, we got output here like this one, and here I'm passing into the random number. It's not a way. I'm passing that on date and time. Local date and time here dot now method is there. You can pass this one, and you can. Okay, here auto build is not working. Why? Okay, I have to rerun the application now. rebuild and rerun the application is required. Okay, it's running application, and here when I hit this one, it will be hit the one. This is the basic application for Gradle also. Here main things is like Gradle dependencies. What are dependencies we have? Like implementation, when you can use this runtime and test environment, testing time and test the runtime. These are the main things like dependencies. How we can add the Marvin .xml, pom.xml based like that we can return here. And here we have H2 database and all DB connections and all is there. That is we can see later. And here Gradle application, and here I have written the port number also, and this is no need. And here application name can pass into the application name here, the one. And I have to add one more things here, auto build development tools also. That is I can add here devtools and Lombok also. Here nothing changed here. This just you have modification for this. It's manually I'm copy pasting this one. Okay, and I have to rebuild the application, and I have to rerun now. Rebuilding. Yeah, its build is successfully done, and rerun the application. Yeah, if you see here, it working fine, expected, and I have modified into the some local data, and here can pass into the date day. It's like a week of the day. Like this, you can pass. And I have saved into the directly here, and just I run this one for Gradle. And when I restart the application, okay, it's not. Yeah, it's executing. Give me 1 second. Okay, auto rebuild is not happen. I have to run the application again. Yes, it's running. See here, today date also, it's coming here. Time and date, and it will be coming date and time, by day also, it will come here. Yeah, this is the pretty this one application. And we can see next video for repository class implementation and all. See here, I have to written one employee class here. I have written the packages like here controller class and mono class and service layer. Service layer is not written, sorry. Service layer and repository class and service layer is there. And here this is the mono class for employee class here. Here I'm copy pasting some of the code here for instance. Okay, this is the one we can use like employee object. It should become here, and this is the one we used as a Lombok also. Here we can return the data. It's no need for that. And this constructors, and also no need, or it will be automatically generated by using yeah. All argument constructor, and it's an argument constructor. These are the two annotations is required. And here, this is the one repository class, or we go for repository class implementation. The package is refactoring this. Yeah, this is the one. And here I have to return the JPA repository for this one. The class is there, and it should be interface and sorry, interface. It should be extendable on JPA repository. And here we need to write down the I and comma. Is the long value is there. Yeah, long value is there. That's why I rated this one. Okay, here we can write down no need for this holdings. This is enough for that. And this is the repository class. We can see later custom queries and all. And here one of the controller I'm returning here, employee controller here, and yeah, employee controller here, and here we can write down the edit rate rest controller. Okay, that rest controller, yeah, should be controller class, correct. And here we have to write down the some of the mappings. Okay. Here, request mapping should be parent level, and okay, this is the repository class I have to return here. Okay, we can see this one is later. This is no need here, and these are the packages. We can return get the all employees data using this one, and here employees returns, and here creating the employee by using request body, and here this is correct only. Here we can write on the package of private final employee service class. We can return like employee service. We can return here. This service class we not declare anywhere. Like here we can write on the employee service. Okay. Okay, here by service we can write on the service layer here, and we can we need to import into the employees repository. Sorry, like this we can return here by service here, and it should be final one, and we should department constructor, and here this is one, it will be coming automatically. Public employee class here I can write on repository dot repository. It will become here, here, and here what is there, and the parameter is constructor. It will be constructor is created, and here employee service, and here service here. Save method is there. Okay, here save method is there. Get all employees. Can write down here, and this method we have not written anything here, and the project not find my method is there. It will be come here. That is good. And if we go for here, this is as we written here, and employee.save method is there. Okay, this is the one, and this is no need here, and this constructor is fine. This is also fine. Okay, and this is also good. Repository class and employee class is there, and this packages is there. Okay. Yeah, fine. It's all are good. And one more thing here. Yeah, we can do some of the implementation. Um, yes, we can see here like yeah. See, I have two written classes here. Like some modifications I did here. This is the employee class. Employee controller have main employee, and it's see here constructor is there, um, private service, and here get all method. It will be when I hit this one, it will be coming whole employee data. And here this get by using id. This id should be long value for get by id. Can get that. And here suppose is it's not there, it is throws any error. Okay, suppose is not found, it will throws error like employee is not found, like that. And here it will be creating a new employee for that, and delete the any employee. You can pass this one. And same as a service layer also, I have written like this. Service layer, it will be calling on these are the methods, find by all, find all employees, find by all, and find by id, and save for this one. And here if we go for repository class, for this one I have not written anything, like it will be extendable on JPA repository. We get to one more question here. What is the difference between CRUD repository and JPA repository? Both. If I go for CRUD repository, it will be extendable and repository class is there here. And here, when I go back to here, we returns JPA repository. If I go for JPA repository, it will be extendable on list of CRUD repository. And here pagination is also implemented here. If you need a pagination and all, if you go for here, it will be extendable on list CRUD repository, and it will be extendable. If I use on this JPA repository, it will be useful for all. Okay, it's a we can use. Okay. And we can see that pagination implementation also, how we can implement and all. And here, okay, this is the main class here. What I do on this one before calling this application running, I have to implement here implements runner. Command line runner is there. See, command line runner is there. In this command line runner method, we have one method is there, run method is there. This run method, it will be called on when application is starting time. It will be called this one. And suppose, yeah, it's like, no, suppose just I written this one. Sample purpose, have written this one like demo perspective. Okay. See here, application is started on this one, and it's how well this application should be started. And now I'm starting the application here now. So I go back to terminal. Yeah, this is the terminal here. Control C. Now I am building the application by using Gradle command. Sorry. See, it's running of the application. Is everything is good. And here I'm starting the application by using Gradle.boot bootRunner. Yeah. See here, these are the arguments. It will be same here. See here, application is started and all this command line arguments here. These command line arguments I'm not passing anything like that why it's coming normally. And hello world on runtime and date also it will be print here. Okay, and this application everything is running fine. We can test by using CLI. I have written some of the fancy code here. See here, this is an uh, command line URL like this. It's calling an employee class here. Second, it will be called this one, and here this post mapping is there. Post mapping means it will be called the post mapping here, and it will be get this data, and it will be insert into the div. You can run the now. It's contact type is equal to JSON. This is the JSON data. Okay, I'm running the application. Okay, it is created one employee here. That is, we can see get all employees. We have the API call is there. See here, this is the you call this one and get all employees. It will get this one. It will be written one data. Like this, you can calling by using the ID employee ID. See here, this is the one getting here. It will get the value here. And what I need to do on, I have to creating one more employee also here. Ram I have created. Role is the developer. Okay, it will be created. And here Ramesh I written. He is the TL or manager. Okay, like this it will be written. Now I calling on get all employees. I get the 3 records here. Okay, by using ID. Okay, I got the data here, and I need to test into the delete. Okay, I'm clearing the console here. Okay, get all employees here, and here I'm removing one record here. See, it will be deleted one. When I call this one, it will be deleted first one. Okay, delete method I need to call. The delete method, 1 second. Yeah, this is the one delete method here. See here, I have added the delete here. This is the mapping here. See here, delete mapping is there. I am passing the ID value also there. Okay, now I run the, it will be removed first record. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching this video. And next videos like how we can write on the JPA custom queries and all, like we can write on that one. We can see one more video. Thank you for watching these videos. Please subscribe my channel. Yeah, I recall what else I have implemented here. This is Gradle dependencies. How we can write down the Marvin dependencies. We can write down the JPA and web and the Lombok for and developer tools for auto restart and all. HTTP database for database. And here annotations process this Lombok annotation and test and launcher. Yeah, these are the main things is fine for this Gradle. This is I'm using on Java 21 And yeah, Gradle version also is there somewhere, so you can check that. Yeah, yeah, this is the basic of this application. We can see one more video next videos.